Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, we're going to get an update on the Port Royal Street Revetment project. Some people refer to it as the Kingston waterfront project, and this is part of the project was renovating this road, which is Port Royal Street. So as you can see, it's a very nice 6-lane road now. They've put in the white lines. They didn't put up concrete barricades, but they have like a concrete, well, you can see it separating both sides of the road. It's like a sidewalk. On the left is a GP, General Penitentiary. It's a prison. Okay. And they built a boardwalk down here. Basically, the government is trying to renovate downtown Kingston, so they put in this project. Or they did this project to try and bring back some entertainment aspect to downtown Kingston. So on the Palisades Strip, they built a similar boardwalk, and it's very popular. Persons go and walk on the boardwalk. The boardwalk is right beside the Kingston Harbor, so the scenery is very nice. And persons go fishing, and very popular. So they decided, because they have a plan to renovate downtown Kingston. So this is Raytown we're actually in now. On the left is a Raytown fishing village or fishing beach. Very popular for fishermen bringing in the fish and selling it. Right, so they put in this boardwalk down here on Port Royal Street as a part of the project. And they're hoping that persons will come down here and go fishing and walk up and down on the boardwalk. So they put in straight ahead, you can see a parking facility where persons can park. We're just going to go in here. And you have a very nice view of the Kingston Harbor. And you can park up here and fish and do whatever you want to do. Walk on the boardwalk. Straight ahead is a very nice view of downtown Kingston. On the right is the prison. Now persons ask why not move the prison, and the last I heard they said it was too expensive, but somebody had commented on the channel saying that they are actually putting together a project to move the prison, but it won't be done for now, but they are looking into it to move the prison to another facility, but it will be very expensive. That's one of the maximum security prisons in Jamaica. Alright, so there you can see the very nice boardwalk on the left. Now this project is practically finished. The only thing left to do is to put in the street lamps. And where you see those white poles sticking out of the ground, that's where the street lamps will go. But everything else is finished. And it's a very nice, there is a sign, welcome to downtown Kingston. Very nice project. You have to give the government credit. They're really trying with these roads. Oh, and another major part of this project was to reinforce the coastline so that the harbor doesn't eat away the road. So they reinforced the coastline. Here you can get a better view of the coastline and the work that was done. Alright, so driving into, and if you're coming from the Norman Manley International Airport, this is a road you would drive on to go into Kingston. Straight ahead is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs building. Very nice building. Every government entity should, or every government ministry or agency should have a building like this. And on the left, that's the Kingston Harbor. It's a natural harbor. It's actually the 7th largest natural harbor in the world. Now this is where the quote-unquote good road ends. And you go back to this road. I'm not sure why they never just paved the entire road. This is still Port Royal Street, but at this section, it wasn't renovated. And it would have been so nice if they renovated the entire road. But hopefully it will be done soon. Alright, so we're now crossing over East Street, sorry. And East Street is a one-way that runs towards the harbour. And now we're coming up to Duke Street, which is a one-way that runs up to National Hero Circle. A lot of the roads in downtown Kingston are one-ways, and that's to help with the flow of traffic. This road now is Church Street. So they alternate. East Street ran down to the harbour, then the next road goes up, and then this one goes down, and then the next one goes up. Now, when Kingston was first laid out back in the 1700s, or maybe even the 1600s, it was a small town. So the border, that's why you have streets like North Street, East Street, West Street, East Harbour Street. That was the original boundaries of the city. So that's where those roads come from. And King Street in Kingston was or Jamaica was a colony of the colony of the English at the time. So you have Queen Street, Princess Street, King Street. That's why it's named. They have those.